Hello. My name is Michael and I will be your partner in the analysis of the Forex market. If you like my work, just click like and subscribe to the channel. In this video I will show you how to install MetaTrader5 on your laptop or computer and how to use it to open orders. The first thing you need to do is download the program. To do this, you must log into the broker's website. I will give an example with XM as he is my trusted broker and I know their website. So, now we open the broker's website. Below the video you will find a direct link to XM. We go to the platforms section. Here we see MetaTrader for PC, Mac, smartphones, and tablets. Now we click on MT5 for PC because I use Windows. If you are using Mac, then you will download MT5 for Mac. The website now takes us to the page to download MetaTrader. Here is a brief summary of the software. We go down the page. Here we see options for creating a broker account and downloading MetaTrader. If you do not have a registration yet, you can click on Open an account. If you need help opening an account, you can contact me and I will be happy to help you. Now click on the download button to download MetaTrader5. Once we have downloaded it, we can start the installation. We allow the program. Select Next and the installation begins. Now I will close it because I already have it installed. We start MetaTrader5, which we have already installed on our computer. The program requires us to enter an account number that we will receive after registration with the broker and a password that we set when we registered our account. So, we already have everything we need to make a deal in currency pairs, stocks, metals, etc. On the left is the market watch. If you cannot find the instrument you want to trade, right-click and select symbols. From this window you can choose which tools you want to add to your watch list, then press OK. Now drag the tool you want to trade with the mouse. For example, bust. The default graphics look like this: green, white and black. But you can set colors of your choice. To do this, right-click on the chart and select Properties. Now I will set it up in the most convenient way for me, and you can set it up according to your preferences. Once you have set up your graphic, you can save it by right-clicking, then selecting Templates and then Save Templates. So, we already have a trading terminal set up. To open an order we need a few mouse clicks. Right-click and select Trading, then New Order. The window in which we will place our order opens. Here we choose the volume with which we want to open an order, for example 0,10, on the right the volume in currency units is displayed, and since we use leverage from our broker, we can buy or sell £10,000 sterling with an account in which we have only about $500. In the field stop loss we set the price at which the transaction will be closed in case it goes in the opposite direction to our expectations. In the field take profit we set the price at which we want the deal to close and collect the profit. If we want to sell 0,10 lots, click on Sell by Market. If we want to buy 0,10 lots, we click on Buy by Market. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Below the video you will find links. Thank you for your attention. If you like my work, just click like and subscribe to the channel to receive an instant notification when I sharing a new video.